How to use Microsoft's way for newsletters. In this video, I'll show you how to use Microsoft's way for newsletters. So using Microsoft's way for a newsletter is a smart way to create visually engaging, interactive content that's easy to share and read across devices. So to get started, go ahead and access Microsoft's way. So sign into your Microsoft account and then access Microsoft Suite. And then you can also use the Suite app if you have that installed. So if you're a new user of Microsoft Suite, you can go ahead and start from a template. So go ahead and look for a newsletter template that you prefer to use. Click on it and that will redirect you into this section. So in here, you can go ahead and have a preview of how this specific template looks like. So if you prefer to use this template for your newsletter, you can go ahead and click on the start editing this way to be able to start editing this newsletter to tailor fit the newsletter style and content that you want to add. So you can go ahead and edit the information that you have in here. You can add more sections to the newsletter as well. And then you can view how this looks like by clicking on the design tab. So go ahead and enter all of the information that you need to enter into the section. You can also link text on Microsoft's way. So once you're done, you can go ahead and proceed on clicking on the sign to view how this looks like live. So once you are satisfied with how your newsletter looks like, you can go ahead and share it with others. And that is how you can basically use Microsoft's way for newsletters. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.